In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use callout blocks in Notion. Callout blocks are a simple way to highlight important information in your notes and documents. Think of them as visual spotlights you can drop into any page to call attention to tips, warnings, summaries, or key action items. They come with an icon, a colored background, and flexible formatting options, so they're perfect for making content easy to scan. To begin, open your browser and go to notion.com. Click Login, then select the workspace you want to work on. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to use callout blocks. This could be a project plan, a meeting note, or any document that could benefit from clearer emphasis. On that page, place your cursor where you want the callout to appear and type a / on your keyboard. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of blocks you can insert. Scroll down until you find the option labeled callout, then select it. A callout block will appear with a placeholder icon and text area. Go ahead and type your content. Keep it concise and meaningful. Use it to capture a key point, a reminder, or a short explanation that should stand out from the rest of your text. Now let's customize it. Hover over the block and click the 6-dot icon to open more options. This is your control center for formatting and block actions. From here, you can change the color of your content to better match its purpose. Use lighter tones for notes and brighter ones for urgent items. You can also choose to turn it into something else, like a heading or a bullet list, if you decide the information should be structured differently. This is helpful when a quick highlight grows into a small section or a checklist. You can edit the icon as well. Choose from the available options to match the tone of your message, a light bulb for ideas, a check mark for tasks, or something thematic for your project. The icon helps readers understand at a glance what the call out is about. If you need to reference this call out elsewhere, you can copy a link to this block so you can point teammates directly to it from another page. And if the call out has served its purpose, you can delete it from the same menu. Those same options give you access to additional actions you might find useful as you organize your page. That's it for using callout blocks in Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.